it's been a couple hours. So currently this is what the layout looks like. So this is the switch. I'm going to do turns instead of straights because why not? I have an overabundance of those. Here's the grade. I did test my heaviest car on it, which is going to be our engine so far. And it did good on this. We did a bit of expanding. So now it goes to here. We have a railroad crossing. And we have sort of a siding to go where. I don't know. I actually might make it to where this is a salt train that goes here with salt and stuff and drops it off because we have a saltwater pool and it's really cool. We have a full on straight and I'm planning to curve it here and have it stop somewhere around here for one of these white, I think this one, I think the one where the track connector is connected to and the trains can run. So yeah, the only problem is that I'm gonna have to flip the engines around and carry them all the way to where their new position is. So that's gonna be nice, quote unquote. The bucket is right there. I'm getting all these, so let me go turn it. So that is gonna be going on to the straight line. The rest of these turns will be used on the turn. I do have a few more turns inside, which will be used on the turns for the others. So yeah, really I'm going to put one straight in, and it's going to be complete turns up until, well, the point no turn, which is aka the end point. And we already came up with this name. It's going to be called the Salt Pacific because it's right next to our pool, and the pool is salt water. And this is going to be called the Salt Pacific Railway. Pretty interesting. Yeah. I'll send you guys. I'll put a video up when I finally get this thing finished. So see you in like an hour or two. Goodbye.